The story of the bandit. Dear children, come, I'll tell you an interesting story. So listen, you know that Hazrat Imam Ghazali, may Allah have mercy on him, was a great elder and scholar of religion. Allah Almighty used him greatly for the sake of religion. Imam Ghazali, may Allah have mercy on him, was from the city of Tus in Iran. After receiving his education in Tus, he went to Iraq to receive higher education at the Nizamiya Madrasa there. Imam Sahib, may Allah have mercy on him, was traveling with a caravan when bandits attacked the caravan at a deserted place and began to loot the caravan members. Imam Ghazali, may Allah have mercy on him, did not have much wealth or possessions. Yes, there was one thing that he considered very precious, it was a book written by his own hand. In this book, he had written down what he had learned from his teacher, so he considered it very precious. When the bandits took this book from Imam Ghazali, may Allah have mercy on him, he was very sorry, so with his life in his hands, he went to the bandit leader and said, "One of your men has taken my book. That book is of no value to you, but it is very precious to me. I have written down everything I have learned from my teacher in it. It would be a great kindness if you would return this book to me." The bandit leader laughed at Imam Sahib's, may Allah have mercy on him, words and said, "The knowledge of a scholar is in his chest, how can you be a scholar that when a few pieces of paper are taken from you, you have nothing left?" Saying this, he ordered his companions to return the book. Imam Sahib's, may Allah have mercy on him, heart was deeply affected by the bandit's words and he began to memorize the book that very day and within a few days he had memorized the entire book. Benefit. We should not just have knowledge up to the extent of the book but we should memorize it. Or the summary of the book's topics should be well ingrained in our minds and hearts. The way to do this is to read the lesson you want to memorize carefully 3 times, then close the book and repeat it. This will give you an idea of how much you have memorized, then do it again in the same way 2 or 3 times. By memorizing in this way, the entire topic will be memorized. When the words of Allah's Messenger come to mind, it will create good thoughts in the heart and the remembrance of Allah will remain in the heart and man will not be in need of the book alone. So children, just as we memorize tables and poems in school and tell each other, in the same way we should memorize the prayer for eating, the prayer for drinking milk, the prayer for riding, by heart and keep in our hearts the necessary advice given by our mothers, fathers and teachers so that we do not have to look at the book again and again. And with enthusiasm, we should keep telling and teaching each other these prayers, things to do, and words, etc. If you liked the story, then like, share and subscribe.